Hello, good day friend. Today we'll talk on C#7 concept tuple. So let's see tuple in action. I am here in Visual Studio console app main method. So let's start tuple. Let me take a variable a, and tuple initialization goes like this. You have parentheses and then you can put numbers or any other type. So if I press semicolon, we see there is an error. If I hover over it, I can see I need a package system.ValueType. Now if I can go here, I can install the package from NuGet. Now if I click on that, it would go ahead and it would install the package. Here is the NuGet package manager. I can go there and I can see it got installed. To use tuple, you need this NuGet package. Actually, not to use tuple. Tuple is a class. If I type here tuple, you see tuple is actually a class. If I press F12 here, you see it's a class. Now the one we are using, it's a ValueTuple. It's a ValueTuple. You see, this is a lightweight struct, and this got introduced in C#7 in a lightweight manner to use the features of tuples. Now let us see what the benefit tuple provides to a C# developer and what are the use cases we can use tuple. So here you can see I initialized variable a with the tuple, and now to use these values throughout the program, we can do it like this way. Console write line. Here it is. Now a dot item 1. So see, here is item 1 and item 2, and item 1 is of type integer and item 2 also is of type integer. So this is how you can access tuple members. If I item 1 and if I press F5, you see we can see the value. Okay, now to access the second member, we'll simply use it as item 2, and if I press F5, you can see the value is 2 here. Now this is an unnamed variable. Like, it is very inconvenient to call the members as item 1 or item 2. It's very difficult to remember or map sometime. So to facilitate the use of members, tuple can be named as well. Like I can put it like, say, first number 1 and say second number. Let me name it like, say, in 330 as some different value. Let me give it some different value to it so that we can see the difference. Like I can go here and I can be dot, you see, first number and second number. Here is no item 1 and item 2. So if I press second number and if I press F5 to see, you see the value 30 we can see. So this is unnamed and this is your named. Okay, we also like do it this way. Like I can go here and I can take it int and I can go C and then some value, probably say 3,4. That is also possible. You will again see item 1 here, and it can be nullable as well. Tuple can be nullable as well. In that case, you have to take value and then item 1. how we access nullable type. Now, what are the use cases? What's the benefit of having tuple? The main benefit of having tuple is to return multiple values together from method. That's the very big advantage. So let us see how that can be achieved. So let us have a method static, and let me put int and int. You can put in tuple, you can put int, you can put string, you can put double, like any value type. That's absolutely fine. So it's nothing but a struct. So you can have a struct in your program, in your project, and you can use that, but you have to maintain that. You have to maintain the code. You have to take care of the responsibilities of maintaining that struct. Instead of that, .NET is providing this tuple feature out of the box, and this value tuple can only be used C#7 onwards. So it's get data, the method name, and for the sake of simplicity, let's just return a tuple, 1, 2. So that is it. Okay, now let me take this here, get data. So we'll get the value back, and let's use this here, and item 1. Now for the sake of understanding, let's change the value so that we can, now it should print. You see 32 is here. Also here a very good thing is that not only we can send the values, we can send it as a named values as well. Like say we want to name it as X and this one as Y, so that when it is returning here, I can access them with the name of the member. Also like other than that, there is another good part of tuple is that I can get this, and then I can use it the way probably you can name it as a P or Q. Okay, so whatever value is being returned by a method, now I want to take it and name the variable on my own way, and then I want to use it. That is also possible. So whether it is returning X, Y, or a main or a B, no problem. I will get it into P and Q, and then I will use it accordingly. So say you want the currency value. Say you want to get USA and UK currency rate for today. So let name the method like this, and probably internally the method is using some variable, probably it should be double, maybe the rate is 70.00, and then you have UK GBP rate probably something around 90, and you are passing them as USA and UK the method. Now it should be double, and this should be double as well. Now when the calling method is receiving this, they might want to name it the way they want, like it can be USA currency rate today, so that they can easily understand inside their code. So this is the benefit of this. See, UK currency, USA currency rate, and UK currency rate. It's very easier to understand. So that is another benefit tuple brings. Not only that, you can also pass tuple to as a like argument to the method where the operation is happening. Like I can pass it like int, and I can pass something, sorry, not here, it should be say 1 or 2, some I'm passing, and some argument I'm passing, and I can receive it here like this, and I can use it here. You see, we are getting item 1 and item 2. Use it. This example shows that the main benefit of tuple is it can return multiple values together, and it can unpack in the way the calling method wants. So that is the main benefit of having ValueTuple. Thank you for watching this.